Good morning and happy Tuesday. This is Anthony Special with Hawkeye Traders. I hope everyone's having a great morning so far. First, before we jump into today's show, I just want to touch base that we have to disclaim with all you folks that everything shared today is for educational purposes only. Please do not misconstrue any of what I share with you as financial advice. With that, let's jump in, guys. So today I thought we'd talk about something that we haven't talked about yet, and that's agricultural futures: corn, live cattle, soybeans. There's so much stuff that we consume on a daily basis that's actually traded in the market. Now, maybe not so actively traded by retail traders, but guys, this is a enormous business for the agricultural business, industry. So let's take a look at corn. Corn's been pulling to the upside. We're sitting in weekly supply. We got monthly supply on the horizon at 391.75. So if you are long corn, that would probably be the next target that I'd be looking for is 391.75, and beyond that 404.75 would be my next two long targets if you are trading corn to the long side. If you are trading oats, looks like we have a fairly recent triggered short position, which you could actually still enter at this point, where the price sits, and actually get a little price improvement compared to where it was triggered. Now, we are sitting in weekly demand, but we'd have a good run on the monthly demand down to 213.75. So if you are short oats, there's certainly some downside potential. Just be careful. We are sitting in weekly demand. So just keep that in the back of your mind if you are to the short side. So I do see some congestion occurring, and we would need a breakout below the 261.25 to head further south to 235 and then again to 213. Soybeans have been on a tear since the end of summer. Mid-August, we got a really clean double dot entry. Some confluence, a higher time frame, matching trend, matching volume, clear interest to the long side. We are currently at the moment sitting in both weekly and monthly supply zones. So I don't know how much further upside there is at this point, but wow, what a really impressive run there for soybeans. Over the past month or so. So guys, if you're sitting long soybeans, just realize that we're starting to see a topping pattern occur, and we're definitely hitting multiple confluence areas of supply. Now on to wheat. Wheat is it's triggered us to a long move. We got two upside targets here. The first one's going to be at like 574-ish, and the next one's going to be at like 599-ish. It rallied. It impulsed. It's corrected. It's congesting at the moment. If we can get a further move to the upside, there's definitely some potential. Downward we got looks like 513 and 501 if it breaks to the downside. So that would be what we're looking for. We lost our long consistency trend on our daily time frame. So this could be reversing. It could just be congesting. Time's going to tell, but just I would sit tight on this one. There's no real definitive direction at the moment. Yesterday we spoke about breakthroughs, and today I want to speak about roadblocks. You have to see every potential roadblock as an opportunity and a benefit. And guys, what that means to me is, in life, you will always encounter roadblocks, hurdles, challenges, things that make you feel uncomfortable. There's a lot of that. Personally, professionally, financially, you'll experience roadblocks in your trading. You'll experience roadblocks in your relationships. You will experience it in your job, in your business, in your health, in fitness. It almost doesn't matter what you do in this life that roadblocks will occur. And, yesterday I shared a couple exciting breakthroughs, one for my wife and one for my friend's son. And today I want to reflect on roadblocks, because roadblocks are really what build character. You have to be able to fail and learn from that failure, or overcome the obstacle in order to successfully move forward and find that success. Roadblocks aren't meant to detour, aren't meant to stop you from becoming successful. They're meant to teach you along the way. And listen, guys, don't ever take the eye off the prize. Don't ever take your the goal you've set out. Don't ever take away from that. Just sometimes you have to reconfigure the way you're going to get there. It's a block in the road. Sometimes there just needs to be a detour, and detours are okay. And you know what? Sometimes the most beautiful things you'll ever experience are the unexpected things that come in life. So I want to share that with you guys for today. Also, I want to remind you, I know I spoke about it yesterday, big energy profits, guys. This is something I've been working on for many, many years. It's something that's finally, it was a roadblock for me for many years, and I'm finally having the breakthrough that this is coming to life. I'm actually able to share my portfolio with a group of people and teach them how to trade the way I trade. And this is not something you'll ever get anywhere else, but with me at Big Energy Profits. So next week we should be launching our very first live event, and guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. I mean, the months and years that have gone into this, and my team that has production, copywriting. I mean, the amount of work and energy that has been put into this is just you can't even imagine. But if you have time next week, when you get an email from me, from Big Energy Profits or from Hawkeye, please take a little time and just watch the webinar, because guys, it's just so special to me that I can give to the masses what has literally changed my life, and it's really become just an amazing experience. So I want to share that with you guys. Remind you that keep your eye out on your email, because it's coming, and it's coming soon. With that, guys, of course, as always, reach out to us. You can email me at Hawkeye Traders. You can call us 888-233-8598. You can visit us at HawkeyeTraders.com. Team 1 at Hawkeye Traders, send me an email. I will get back to you personally. You can hit me up on Skype, Anthony Special Jr. Guys, if you're using Hawkeye and you're making money, I want to hear from you. I want to know how you're trading. I want to know what excites you. I want to know what roadblocks you have, and I want to know what breakthroughs you've had. So get a hold of me. Like, let's have a phone conversation. Let's email back and forth. I want to learn from you, just as much as I want you to learn from me. And guys, if you're not using Hawkeye yet, and you really want in-depth explanation of how volume is what makes the market move, click the link below. Watch the VSwarm webinar. I promise you, it will give you such insight to understanding how I, as a trader, am successful with using Hawkeye. If you have questions, if you have comments, if you have concerns, please, please, please reach out, because I'm here for you. It's my life's work to help you be successful, to help you find the financial freedom I have. That's what I'm here for. So guys, click the link below. Check out VSwarm. Any questions, comments, once again, please reach out. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Have a profitable day. Take care.